Right.
The year ahead will go faster, right? You expect
Not slowing down.
Well, often we hear from customers that it takes months or quarters or years to deliver on these AI strategy, and they might even have a 3-year strategy. The problem, of course, is that in 3 years, there's been 6 different innovations happening, right? They're different, 6 different tools, 6 different hundreds of different models available. Use cases have exploded. So you have to think of it as a sort of a much smaller world in a bite-sized setting. Good news is we've done 50 of these workshops. We're happy to do several more with you in the webinar in order to hone both the education, what words mean, and the use cases and what makes sense for the highest ROI. We will then help assess your data state and data analytics platform to see what remediation needs to be put in place, what prerequisites should be true in order to build some of these use cases. We'll help you with the actual deployment. So building out those use cases from a machine learning to AI agentic workflow perspective. And then, of course, the skill set to operate it after the fact. Once these use cases go into production, once models in production, then you have to worry about what happens when it goes bump in the night, right? At 3 a.m., you have the skill set and expertise to deal with these changes. And then more importantly, if in fact a change is required. So if I implement a production use case that is 85% accurate and only deployed to a single distribution center, what do I need to move the needle to make that 95% accurate? And then send it to 15 distribution centers. And then what happens with the second and third and fourth use case? Do you have the skill set to create the data pipelines, the machine learning pipelines, and the AI pipelines to go ahead? Pythian is here to help you navigate that journey. We will help you define those AI use cases and training employees and how to use those embedded tools, or just simply to learn how to prompt, all the way through to managing those models and managing the risks and security of going into production. And of course, we have the team that you've met, Jeff DeVerter and Ernest Solomon, Karen Pfeiffer. We're here to make this a much easier transition from amazing set of ideas to actual investment and return.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. I appreciate your time, and we're here. We're just a phone call or an email or an IM or a LinkedIn buzz away. Thanks, everyone.